It's a video presentation of the Hurco VM1.
Go ahead and do the Y. Okay.
This was mostly cutting plastic, if not all. Yeah, he's gonna run the spindle. Got a couple lights as well. Just go ahead and the side mount tool changer. And just to verify, this is serial number VM1-060361007CHA. Get a look on the inside of the electrical cabinet as well. The manuals. We also have the other set of manuals. We left that plastic in there so people could see what it was cutting. It's mostly plastic. I see a little bit of aluminum in there, but all lightweight. This concludes the video presentation of the Hurco VM1.